How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be doing a video showing all my fidget spinners. Next video we're going to do showing Mason and my fidget spinners. So there's one. My PlayStation fidget is inside the thing. And the ball again now. So this is a Batman one, if you can see. You see. Next, like, I don't know how to describe it. Lighter. Okay. And this. Can't really spin it well because I have it in my hand. This is a good one which I tried today. Hypnotized you. Ready? That's the next one. And this is the smooth one. And that's one of my fastest ones. It's really good. This one was like kind of slow because I had ages and I used to play with it all the time. Plastic one, my only plastic. This black one, which is I don't really like it. I don't know how. Forgot how I got it. Skull one, which is kind of cool to prove. This is the one I made. Which my father made. The metal worker. This golden one too, then. So there's 4 on it. I think it's bones. Right, so here's my Batman ones. This is the best Batman one I got. I got it from a place. I asked my father for it. He said yeah. This is my first Batman one ever. And I just traded this today. Wait, I traded it for like a plain fidget spinner, which is kind of crap. My broken pile. The plastic, you notice that this doesn't get on. Get on. No, it won't get on. Basically, guys, let me fix this.
Are you going to bed then? Oh, you're a big joint yourself, are you?
Yeah. Two-sided. It's a two-sided Lamborghini one. This is a good one I traded today. Star one. And I traded this today to come bother getting out the box. Can't bother getting this out the box. Okay. Thanks for watching all my fidgets. And I hope you enjoy. If you want to, I don't know what I was going to say. Just having a bonfire now. I think you're on fire, guys. That's how good you are. Yeah, you're on fire. Alright, thanks for watching and see ya. Hoo-ha!